Vantra N175 is a tractor model produced by the Finnish company Vantra, which is owned by the AGCO Corporation. The N175 is part of Vantra's N series, which includes tractors ranging from 105 to 181 horsepower. The N175 is a mid-range tractor that is powered by a 4.4-liter AGCO power engine, has a maximum power output of 175 horsepower and a maximum torque of 700 nanometer. The tractor is equipped with a 4-speed powershift transmission, which provides 16 forward and 16 reverse gears. The N175 has a spacious and comfortable cab with excellent visibility, and it is available with a range of advanced features and technologies, including front-loader options, electronic rear linkage controls, and a range of guidance systems. Overall, the Vantra N175 is a versatile and reliable tractor that is well suited for a wide range of farming and agricultural applications. John Deere A345R is a popular tractor model produced by John Deere, one of the world's leading manufacturers of agricultural machinery. The A345R tractor is powered by a 9-liter, 6-cylinder diesel engine that produces a maximum output of 345 horsepower. This tractor model is equipped with a 16-speed powershift transmission with electronic controls and automatic shifting. It also features an improved front and rear suspension system to minimize vibration and ensure stability on difficult terrain. The tractor has an electric power steering system for precise and easy control. In addition, the John Deere A345R tractor is equipped with many advanced technologies, including a GPS system, automatic spray and irrigation system, and various features to improve efficiency and save energy. Overall, the John Deere A345R is a powerful and reliable tractor that is well suited for a wide range of agricultural applications, particularly for working in difficult terrain. The DOSBAR A2A0 is a high-end tractor model produced by the German manufacturer DOSBAR, which is part of the SDF group. The A2A0 tractor is designed for use in a variety of agricultural applications, from large-scale farming to specialized tasks. The DOSBAR A2A0 tractor is equipped with a 6.1-liter, 6-cylinder diesel engine that can produce up to 280 horsepower. The engine is designed for efficient fuel consumption and low emissions, making it an environmentally friendly option. The tractor has a continuously variable transmission, which provides smooth and efficient power transfer with a wide range of working speeds. The A2A0 tractor has a spacious and comfortable cab with an ergonomic design that provides excellent visibility and comfort for the operator. The cab is equipped with advanced features such as air conditioning, an air-suspended seat, and a high-tech control console for ease of use and precise control. The DOSBAR's A2A0 tractor also has an advanced hydraulic system that allows for multiple simultaneous operations, making it versatile for a wide range of tasks. The tractor is equipped with front and rear linkage, as well as a range of optional attachments such as front loader, making it a highly adaptable machine for various farm operations. The DOSBAR A2A0 is a high-performance, versatile, and reliable tractor that is designed to meet the demanding needs of modern agriculture. The Vantra 720 is a tractor model produced by the German manufacturer Vantra, which is part of the AGCO Corporation. The Vantra 720 Vario is a medium to high power tractor that is designed for versatility and efficiency in a range of farming operations. The Vantra 720 tractor is powered by a 6.06-liter, 6-cylinder diesel engine that can produce up to 200 horsepower. The tractor is equipped with a Vario transmission, which provides stepless speed control and ensures efficient power transfer. The transmission also allows the operator to change the speed and direction of the tractor without having to stop or clutch, resulting in increased productivity and less operator fatigue. The 720 tractor has a comfortable and spacious cab that is equipped with a range of advanced features, including climate control, air-suspended seat, and a touchscreen display for monitoring and controlling the tractor's performance. The tractor also has an advanced guidance system, which allows for accurate and efficient fieldwork. The Vantra 720 tractor has a front and rear linkage system, which makes it compatible with a range of attachments and implements, such as plows, cultivators, and balers. The tractor's hydraulic system allows for a quick and easy implement attachment and detachment. The Vantra 720 is a versatile and efficient tractor that is well suited for a range of agricultural applications, from field work to transport tasks. It is known for its ease of operation, precision, and productivity. The Case IH Magnum 215 is a high-powered tractor produced by Case IH, a leading manufacturer of agricultural machinery. The Magnum 215 is designed for use in a variety of applications, including fieldwork, transport, and specialty operations. The Case IH Magnum 215 tractor is powered by a 6.7-liter, 6-cylinder diesel engine that can produce up to 215 horsepower. The tractor is equipped with a power shift transmission, which provides smooth and efficient power transfer with a range of working speeds. The transmission also features automatic shifting, which makes operation easier and more efficient. The Magnum 215 tractor has a spacious and comfortable cab with an ergonomic design that provides excellent visibility and comfort for the operator. The cab is equipped with advanced features such as air conditioning, an air-suspended seat, and a high-tech control console for ease of use and precise control. The Case IH Magnum 215 tractor also has an advanced hydraulic system that allows for multiple simultaneous operations, making it versatile for a wide range of tasks. The tractor is equipped with front and rear linkages, as well as a range of optional attachments such as front loader, making it a highly adaptable machine for various farm operations. The Magnum 215 also has advanced technologies including a guidance system, telematics, and remote monitoring, which can help farmers optimize their operations and improve efficiency. The Case IH Magnum 215 is a high-performance, versatile, and reliable tractor that is designed to meet the demanding needs of modern agriculture. In conclusion, these 5 types of farming machines are some of the most important and versatile tools available for farmers today. From plowing and planting to harvesting and more, these machines are designed to help you save time, reduce labor costs, and maximize your yield. So, if you're looking for ways to improve your farming operations and stay competitive, be sure to consider adding one or more of these machines to your arsenal. Thanks for watching, and we hope this information was helpful.